1. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to acquire a 1965 Chevrolet Corvair for just $6,000. This splendid car, with a mileage of 76,130 miles, represents not only a piece of history, but also the chance to own an extraordinary vintage vehicle. Describing its technical specifications, it's worth noting the manual transmission, gasoline engine, and 2 previous owners. The car is fully paid off, has a clean title, and is absolutely free of significant damages or issues. The charm of this Corvair is timeless, with its exterior and interior in a pristine white color, creating an elegant contrast. The white vinyl interior, black carpeting, and black dashboard give it a refined appearance. With a 110 engine and a 4-speed transmission, the car comes equipped with stylish wheel covers and a black power folding convertible top. Despite its age, it may exhibit some signs of wear, but in the last 3 months, new brakes and a battery have been installed, enhancing its reliability on the road. Since 1995, the car has been stored in a closed facility, emphasizing the care it has received. Upon purchasing this Corvair, you'll not only get the car, but also a piece of its history, including the original invoice, owner's manual, chassis and body repair guide, and the title. This is an excellent opportunity to become the owner of such a special car that combines style, history, and uniqueness. 2. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to become the owner of the magnificent 1948 Ford Super Deluxe, available for $52,000. This car has only covered 500 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, providing it with ease and comfortable handling. Cloaked in an elegant black color with a dark beige interior, it creates a luxurious contrast. Running on gasoline and featuring a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission, this car ensures excellent performance on the road. This Ford Super Deluxe is in excellent condition with no serious damages or issues. It boasts a superb exterior and impeccable technical condition. It comes with a clean title, affirming the reliability and history of the car. The seller's description adds to the positive impression. This Ford Super Deluxe is equipped with several enhancements, including a tilting steering column, hydraulic disc brakes on the front axle, and a sturdy chrome rear end from Ford. The dark-toned interior with tan accents provides the car with comfort and style. Completely corrosion-free and with a new top, this car is ready for long road adventures. The seller assures that this Ford Super Deluxe is not just a car, but an opportunity to enjoy driving in any direction. 3. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to acquire a stylish and compact vehicle, the 1972 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, available for $15,000. This miniature masterpiece has traveled 90,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The car features a burgundy exterior color, creating an attractive contrast with a black interior. It is fully paid off, has a clean title, and is entirely free from serious damages or issues. The seller describes this 1972 Chevrolet Malibu as a small but powerful car. It comes with a hydraulic system from California, factory power steering, and front disc brakes. It was previously an air-conditioned car, but the compressor and components are missing. The car includes bucket seats, a decent interior, and a B&M floor shifter. Powered by a 350 engine with a 350 transmission, it requires some attention, but overall presents an appealing vehicle. Minor repairs include fixing minor corrosion on the lower passenger side quarter and a potential trunk replacement. However, the seller assures that the floor pans, gutters, and the area around the windows are in good condition, and the frame is also sound. Some modifications have been made for the hydraulic system, but they do not affect the core elements. While some attention is needed, including the replacement of the radiator or hose, the car is fully functional. This unique offer may appeal to those who appreciate style, history, and small vintage car projects. 4. There is currently a unique opportunity to acquire the magnificent 1964 Ford 500 for $12,500. This car has surpassed 100,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission, and looks stunning in blue. This 64 Fairlane, presented as a 2-door sedan, is in excellent condition for its age. Its exterior is accentuated by a deep blue color, and under the hood, there's a 347-stroker with a 3-speed automatic transmission featuring a 2800 Boss Hog converter. The SCAT assembly group adds efficiency and power. However, the seller honestly notes that the engine heads require attention. The C9 heads need oil cap replacements and reinforced seats. This Ford 500 is complemented by Keystone wheels with new tires, and in the trunk, you can find 2 spare wheels for the rear axle. Additionally, the car features a quick fuel carburetor and a single-plane intake manifold. To enhance the braking system, front disc brakes have been installed, although one brake caliper is leaking, but the seller provides a new caliper for replacement. While the car's paint is aged and partially peeling, the price remains firm. The seller emphasizes that the price is non-negotiable, but there is a possibility of a trade for a Fox body in impeccable condition. He highlights that such cars are rare, and this sedan is akin to the legendary Thunderbolts. 5. You now have a unique opportunity to acquire the magnificent 1968 Chevrolet Camaro for $65,000. This car, with 21,397 miles on the odometer, features a manual transmission and is presented in a stylish black color with a blue interior. The seller describes this 1968 Camaro as the result of a full frame-off restoration with expenses totaling around $80,000, carried out over 1.5 years. The car was acquired in the 70s and spent 40 years in the garage before the restoration process began. The original body, except for the rear arches, has been preserved. This Camaro is equipped with a 4-speed Muncie transmission with a new clutch and a Donna rear axle. The miles traveled on the car are original. Among the updates, it is worth noting the completely new wiring, new wheels and tires, frame-off body paint, updated interior, 4-link suspension, a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system, frame connectors, and a Chevy small block 383-stroker engine, 468 p. From Blueprint with a warranty. The car has covered 20,687 miles since the completion of the restoration, and the current mileage is 21,397 miles. This Camaro represents not only historical value, but also technical and aesthetic perfection, making it a splendid acquisition for true enthusiasts of classic cars. 6. Currently, there is an opportunity to acquire the splendid 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham for $19,500. This car, with 45,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission and is presented in an elegant turquoise color both on the exterior and interior. The seller describes this Cadillac as entirely original, acquired by them last October, and has since enjoyed owning the vehicle. Despite its age, the car is in excellent condition, although it has minor cosmetic defects. The car is equipped with a 472 cubic inch engine, paired with a TH400 transmission, ensuring carefree journeys in any direction. The seller emphasizes its smoothness, even at speeds of 75 miles per hour, noting the remarkable sense of comfort. The price of the car is open for discussion, but the seller specifies that negotiations can only take place in person. It is important to note that the car has a clean title, with no significant damages or issues, making this 1970 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham an ideal choice for those who appreciate the comfort and style of classic cars. 7. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to become the owner of a 1984 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Brougham for $12,000. This car, with only 60,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission and is presented for sale in a shiny silver color. The seller describes this Oldsmobile as being in exceptional condition, despite its nearly 40-year age, with no rust and only 60,000 original miles of mileage. Previously owned by his grandfather, the car clearly reflects its well-maintained condition. The car runs and drives excellently, requires no additional investments, and fully adheres to the original specifications. It offers a quiet and smooth ride, preserving the originality and tranquility of Grandpa's car. This Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale Brougham maintains its stock configuration and originality, giving it a special character. The seller emphasizes its stability on the road, stating that at a speed of 80 miles per hour, you can let go of the steering wheel and the car will travel straight, providing a very smooth driving experience. It's the perfect choice for those who appreciate preserving history and comfortable rides in 80s style. 8. You have the unique opportunity to acquire a stunning 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS for $38,500. This car, with only 300 miles on the odometer, features a manual transmission and is presented in a passionate red color with a black interior. The seller describes this 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS convertible as extremely clean and thrilling to drive. The car is equipped with a 350 engine board 0.40 over and a 4-speed manual transmission. It also features headers, a limited slip differential, and has undergone a complete restoration in the last 3 years, including new paint, a new top, a new interior, tubular front suspension with lowered springs, and front disc brakes. As a result of these enhancements, the car looks fresh and ready for new adventures. This Malibu SS convertible not only promises stylish exterior features, but also delivers exciting driving experiences. Prepared and ready to hit the road, it represents a unique opportunity for collectors who appreciate the beauty and character of classic cars. 9. Currently, you have the unique opportunity to acquire a stylish and powerful 1973 Ford Mustang for $25,000. This car, with 145,000 miles on the odometer, features an automatic transmission and is presented in an elegant white color. The seller reports that this Mustang has undergone an extensive restoration process, with almost all of its components replaced. At the 110,000-mile mark, a complete suspension replacement was carried out, ensuring excellent condition and comfort on the road. The car has also undergone engine upgrades. The 351C engine was fully restored, equipped with a new Edelbrock 650 carburetor, a 4-core radiator, power steering pump, inner and outer wheel bearings, electronic ignition system, and many other enhancements. This Mustang is currently presented as a car ready for road adventures, perfectly combining vintage charm with modern improvements. The elegant white exterior gives it a classic look, while the extensive upgrades provide power and performance at the highest level. It's an excellent opportunity for those seeking a combination of style and power in a classic Ford Mustang. 10. Currently, you have an excellent opportunity to purchase a 1984 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed for $11,900. This truck, with a mileage of 100,184 miles, features an automatic transmission and is presented in a stylish blue color with a black interior. The seller describes this 1984 Chevrolet 1500 as a particularly good example with new paint and an updated interior. Additionally, the fuel tank has been replaced, and a new fuel exhaust system with glass pack mufflers has been installed, creating a fantastic sound. This truck looks and sounds amazing, something that can be appreciated in person. As the seller says, you have to see it to appreciate it. The cost of this truck is $11,900, providing an excellent opportunity to acquire a stylish and functional vehicle for everyday needs. The new paint and interior add freshness, and the carefully performed upgrades make it an appealing option for those seeking a reliable truck with character.